Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be here at the Gaylord. There are two new restaurants that have opened. The Fortunate Prospector, which is a pub, and the Embers Lodge Bar, which is a bar in the lobby. So let's head down. We're gonna have dinner right now at the pub, try some good food, maybe a drink or two, and then later tonight we think we're gonna go down to the bar, try some more drinks, and then have some late night snacks. Look at how beautiful this is. So this is really the Lodge Embers Bar, or I think it's just called Embers Bar, but we are heading over here to the Fortunate Prospector. They have plenty of cocktails to choose from. Beer cocktails, non-alcoholic cocktails, martinis and soft drinks. I think I'm gonna try the French martini. And I think Ben was looking at Pim's cup over here, but let me verify what he's gonna order. They also have plenty of wines to choose from, along with some bubbles and rosé. Okay, that isn't even all of it. So they have the martinis and soft drinks, and then I showed you guys the wines, but past that, they have beers on draft. They have different distances to the different breweries around here. They have cans and seltzers. And then this is actually their breakfast menu if you want to have breakfast here. Let's give it a try. Oh, yeah. I have a feeling I'm not going to like this one, but we'll see. That's got to be tequila. Because I like my tequila. Here is the cottage pie. Let's go ahead and give it a try. All right, let's dig in. I'm so excited. It's braised beef, and then you have your mashed potato on top. That is very good, though. I'm gonna do another bite for sure. It was a little too hot, just like Ben said. While I'm waiting for mine to cool down, I'm gonna try a bite of the Reuben. I don't think I've ever had one before, so let's give it a try. Holy crap, that's good. Oh, that's good. Mm. I really like the bread. I think the bread helps make it. Is it sourdough? Or rye?
Oh, it's rye.
That's good. Okay, let's try one more bite of the shepherd's pie now, and I'll know to blow it off a little more. It tastes very good. It doesn't taste like they season it a lot, so it's just straight meat, like straight braised beef.
That's all.
There's our meat.
I'm not laughing at you.
That bite was better. You're really getting your protein in with this meal too. There's a lot of beef in here. The mashed potatoes are good. They're nice and crispy on top.
Hello.
It's hot, be careful. To me, there's a lot of meat in here. This was $21, but there's a lot of beef. Like, it's beef. Usually that'd be pretty expensive. So I think it's a good bang for your buck. Okay, as you can see, we're back in the room, but we did order some dessert to go. We're kind of just gonna relax, have some water, and then have dessert. Then we're gonna head down to Embers Bar, probably in like 2 hours or so. So we ordered some sticky toffee pudding, which I don't know if I've ever had before. And then it comes with some ice cream. So let's go ahead and give it a try. I'm gonna try just the sticky toffee pudding at first. I don't know what it is. Maybe not what I was expecting. I don't know, was it what I was expecting? But this isn't it. Like I said, with the ice cream, it's pretty good. The ice cream tastes pretty icy, like not like it's made with milk or anything for some reason. Like it's not creamy. Put them together. That's pretty good. I'm gonna take it back. I feel like maybe you could find better though. That's pretty good. Like I said, we're just gonna relax for a little bit, kind of rehydrate, and then go down and try some more cocktails, maybe another appetizer or two, and maybe go out and roast some s'mores. Good morning, everyone. We ended up not going to the bar last night. We started feeling very full and just gross when we got back to the room, so we could not go downstairs and have another drink or any food. So unfortunately, we didn't end up going to the bar. But this morning I am gonna go back to the Fortunate Prospector and we'll give their breakfast a try. Okay, here's the breakfast menu for the Fortunate Prospector. You have some light offerings, granola parfait and some steel cut oatmeal. You have more of your egg breakfasts. You have a bunch of different ones to choose from. You have some sweet and savory if you prefer a Belgian waffle or something for breakfast. Then here are your proteins that you can choose for the side of like the Prospector breakfast. You can choose those. And then there is some kids menu items here. We went with the Prospector breakfast, so we have some scrambled eggs, bacon, potatoes, and some sourdough, and it looks like some butter and some jam. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Really the most important part is going to be this bacon here, so let's give it a try. It's cooked perfectly, just the way I like it. I also want to try these potatoes too. I think everything else will be fine with, but that's good. It's lightly seasoned on the outside, but just a plain potato. It tastes really good. We are so full after that breakfast. Like I said, the bacon was cooked perfectly. The sourdough was yummy. The potatoes tasted so good. And the eggs were just eggs.
Can I get you some water for now?
So they have plenty of snacks here, savory snacks and some cold plates. We're thinking of maybe getting like a caramelized onion dip or something, or maybe spicy chicken dip or the braised barbacoa sliders. Here are their signature cocktails. They also have a non-alcoholic if you're into non-alcoholic. They have draft cans, beers, wine, plenty to choose from.
Pretty good.
I would have been like, if you have a badge and everything, I would have.
We are back home now. We did end up going to the bar in the lobby. It turns out that they open at 11 on Saturday. So we were able to go kind of once we checked out. We took our bags to the car and came back in and tried some drinks. I just had a pineapple mimosa. I didn't want anything too crazy. And then Ben had the drink that I'll put up here. And his was pretty good. I just felt I wanted something light and it was early in the morning. So pineapple mimosa was good. But they have plenty of signature cocktail options. They also have their canned drinks, their wine, their champagne. There's plenty to choose from. And we also didn't get any snacks, unfortunately. We just weren't feeling it. We still weren't feeling too great. We didn't feel good last night. So we weren't feeling too great and wanting to eat too much food. So we just got the drinks. I want to thank Marriott for having us out to try these new restaurants. They were both amazing. Give them a try. The cottage pie was so good. And the sticky toffee pudding, that was pretty good too. I'd never had it before, but it was pretty good. I've also never had a Reuben before, and I thought the Reuben was good. So pretty much everything we tried was really good. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.